boys and girls. My name is Miss Roxana. This week we are going to review greetings and introductions to sing a song with the class. Hello. Let me present some characters. Friends. Mike the monkey. Mike the monkey. Leo the lion. Leo the lion. Polly the parrot. Polly the parrot. Gina the giraffe. Gina the giraffe. Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Mike the monkey. Mike the monkey. Very good, excellent. Mike the monkey. Leo the lion. Leo the lion. Great. Leo the lion. Polly the parrot. Polly the parrot. Great job, Polly the parrot. Gina the giraffe. Gina the giraffe. Great job, Gina the giraffe. Conversation. Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? I'm John. I'm John. Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? I'm Mary. I'm Mary. Great job. Bye-bye.